Hi everyone, in honor of May the 4th, I'm going to show you how to make these cute Wookie bookmarks. These are very easy to make and they don't require a lot of supplies to make. All right, let's get to it. So the first thing you're going to need is a piece of brown paper. Second, you're going to need a pair of scissors. Third, something to write with. Fourth, glue stick, or you could also use tape. And then, depending on how you want to decorate, you can draw your Wookie face on, in which case you will need a black and white crayon or pencil crayon or marker. Or you can cut out and glue your face on, in which case you'll need small pieces of black and white paper. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we need to turn this rectangular piece of paper into a square. For my bookmark, I want to create a square that is 6 inches by 6 inches. So first thing, I'm going to take this corner, fold it down over here, and I want it so that the sides line up and that this is a nice point. Once you get that, you're going to crease down here, run your fingernail along and give it a good crease. And then this piece, we're going to cut off. So let's just cut that piece off so that we have our square. Don't get rid of this piece, just set it aside because we're going to need that later to make our Wookie face. So now we should have a triangle. Going to put it down, and you want the point pointing up, and you're going to grab this top part, you're going to fold it down so that the point touches the middle of your bottom, and then just crease it. Next thing, we're going to bring this corner up so that it's touching the top point, and crease that. Then we're going to do the same to the other side. Bring this point, touch to the top. And crease that. So now you should have a diamond. We're going to take these two folds and we're just going to tuck them inside. So just push it in. Fold it down, and then do the same to the other side. Now you have the start of your corner bookmark. Now comes the fun part. We get to decorate it to look like a Wookie. This is where that other piece of paper comes in. So you're going to lay your bookmark down so that the 2 points here for the mouth are touching the edges of your piece of paper. I'm going to grab your writing utensil. We're just going to draw out some shaggy points because we want to give him some hair. And then you're just going to cut that out. This doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it's shaggy Wookie hair. It can be as messy or as neat as you want it to be. All right, so now we have our Wookie hair. We are going to take our bookmark and we're going to put glue all on this top part here. So let's just glue that. If you don't have glue, you can stick a piece of tape on and glue and tape your Wookie hair to the top. Then we're just going to line this flat edge up with this edge here. Press that down. Now you can draw on the face, or if you're cutting it out, you can cut out some eyes, some nose, mouth, and a belt. I'm just going to draw my face on, and I'm going to start off with the belt. It's going to be as simple or as elaborate as you want. Now we're going to give Chewy some eyes, some nice big eyes. Going to give him some white centers to his eyes. Now I want him to have a cute little nose. And mouth. I'm going to give him some fangs. And color that in. And stick them on a book. And you are done. Happy May the 4th, everyone.